Hi everyone, welcome to part two of learning basic operators together. So what we're going to look into right now is terminology. So we're going to understand the terminology of basic operators. So what exactly are we talking about here? So let us see what it means here. Basic operators are unary, binary, or ternary. You know, the first time that I read this, it really took me off a bit because I was trying to understand what unary is, what binary is, and what ternary is. And obviously, we understand that the word binary means two, the word ternary means three, and then the word unary means one. But let us confirm that right now. We're going to search unary and see what it means. Involving a single component is pretty much what we're learning about unary here, as we can see right now, that unary means involving a single component. Let's search binary. Binary relating or composed of or involving two things, right? And then lastly, ternary. Hopefully I spelled it correctly. Ternary. Did I? Okay, cool. Composed of three parts. That's what we're learning here about these things. There's binary, there's unary, and there's ternary in that order. Okay, the order is unary, binary, ternary. 1, 2, 3. And now as I look into this, it makes sense because there are operators that operate on single elements. There are operators that operate on two elements. And then there are also operators that operate on three elements. I guess I'm not using the right terms here because I see they're using the word target and not element. And I like the word target. Or that targets, object, place, or thing as the aim. Its main aim is on a single element or on a single target or on a single value, if I may use that term as well. Let's read here and understand further what it means. Unary operators operate on a single target, such as minus a. We can declare a value as negative using an operator, the minus, the arithmetic operator, or the minus operator, or the negative operator, I guess. Unary operators, prefix operators. Unary prefix operators appear immediately before the target. Okay, so within unary operators, we have prefix. We have unary prefix operators that appear immediately before a target, and I wonder what they mean. We're gonna get into that. I wonder what they mean. And then we have unary postfix operators that appear immediately after their target, such as because obviously we understand this one is not B. The operator here means not, and the operator here has to do with optionals and wrapping. That's what I think it means here. Yeah, that's it here. So we will learn as we delve deeper into them what they mean. But so far they're exciting, they're interesting. And then we also have binary operators, which they operate on two targets, such as 2 plus 3. So in other words, I cannot use this as a prefix to that, but I can't I? Let us check and see. Let's just check and see. Plus 2. Let's see what this is going to give us. It gives us a 3. So I can use this as a unary operator, and I can also use this as a unary operator as well. But I can't use this as a unary operator because it's not it. Okay, you see that it's not a prefix unary operator. That's what we're learning here. And one of the interesting things about this is that as you as you understand this more, you're able to also understand the I don't know why this is not open. Okay, I guess maybe that's it. You're able to understand the errors that you're receiving back. Because had I done this, I wouldn't have understood what this error means. But then because now we're looking into the Swift programming language and we're learning it thorough, we're able to understand what this problem here means. For example, that's what we came to learn. This is not a unary operator because what we came to learn, it's a binary operator. It operates on two targets, right? That means it needs to be in the middle of two targets. Then we can see it work. Now here, our answer, or our, what is this? The product of our statement has I'm looking for the right term to use. But anyway, the product of this is 6. That's pretty much what we get. So that's what we get. And even if I do this, we're still going to get, it's not a postfix unary operator, right? So we have, okay, let's see what we're going to get now. I think it's going to begin by telling us this first error here. And then, okay, so we're still getting the same thing. I don't know if it's evaluating from this side to that way, or if it's evaluating from that way to that way. I'm not sure. But then for now, what we do get is that this is not a post unary operator. So which means it's reading from this side first and then it's going that way. So hence, if I do this, I'm going to get this. But then if I leave it like that and I do this, it's going to complain first about the postfix unary operator. Cool. So in other words, so we understand we have, let me just do this. Okay, I think I just need to do 3 of these things. So we have unary operators. And within unary operators, we have postfix unary operator. And then before postfix unary operator, we also have prefix unary operator. And we understand this can be a minus, addition, not. What else is there? I don't know about an and if it's a postfix unary operator, but let's check. And 3. I don't know what this, obviously, I don't know what it, okay, use of extraneous. Okay, so the thing is, the compiler agrees that this is a unary operator. That's that one. It agrees, and it can also apply as a prefix unary operator. And even if I do this, it can still apply as a postfix operator, but we're not using this operator the right way. So I guess I don't want to guess at this point, but so far we do know that minus, addition, or positive in this case, it's not going to be addition, it's going to be a positive, and a negative and a not, they do apply as postfix unary operators. Now I don't know if this is going to work. It's agreeing that this is a postfix unary operator, right? But it says, but then you're using it on the wrong value here. Why would you use this on a literal? That's what the compiler is asking here. Int cannot be used as a Boolean test. It's agreeing that this is a prefix unary operator, but then I'm using it on the wrong value because it's saying, why can you use this on a literal? Okay, cool. Let's see what more we can learn. So far we came to learn that binary operators operate on 2 targets, such as 2 plus 3, and are infix because they appear in between their 2 targets. Now I like the word that they use there. So let's see. So okay, let me do this. We have unary operators. Okay, I want to just do it this way so that I can underline what we're learning here. Okay, cool. And then we have binary operators. Now, the one thing that we learn about binary operators is that they are infix. In other words, that means we have postfix, prefix, an infix that is between. I feel like I should write this down somewhere. We have okay, let's look again. We have postfix, we have prefix, and then we have infix. So infix is between. For example, e.g., if we have 3 plus 2 or 3 plus 2, this here, it's no longer a positive, it's an addition, and it's infix. And we know this works like a charm. Okay, cool. It works. It does what it's supposed to do. And are infix because they appear in between the two targets. Okay. Lastly, we have ternary operators. What are we to learn about ternary operators? Okay, ternary operators operate on 3 targets, right? Like C, Swift has only one ternary operator. The ternary conditional operator. Okay, the ternary conditional operator. Okay, Swift has only one ternary operator. Okay, Swift has only one ternary operator, and it's called the ternary. I wonder what it means. Conditional operator, and it looks something like B. C. Okay, I don't know what this statement means, but we'll look into it. Or this expression, I don't know what it means. The values that operators affect are operands. Okay, so we have an operator, we have operands. For example, okay, it makes sense. 1 is an operand, plus or addition is an operator, 2 is an operand. The addition symbol is an infix operator, and its 2 operands are the values 1 and 2. Nice. I like this. I think we're gonna end it here for now. Thank you guys, and all the best. Cheers.